Hey guys, I decided to change my recording strategy a little bit today. So instead of doing it from my computer, I'm going to do it from my phone. And as I said, I would make a video about mastering Fruit. Fruit is Blizzard. I already mastered it in a video I recorded on my computer, but it did something weird, so I don't know if I can show it or not. If I can, I will post it. But for now, I'm just going to showcase it in case it doesn't. Because, why not? Also, I don't know how to stop my cool running. Okay, yeah. Don't forget to turn on... Hey, that's a little rude, bro. Yeah, also I got True Triple Katana, off screen. It took a couple of days because people kept getting... people kept getting it, and I couldn't. And it was just really tough. But anyways, I'm gonna turn it down first. Oh yeah, so like it was tough getting it, but I'm gonna go to a different island to showcase it. Since this is private server, I'll do it in a boss spot. Also, I want you guys to try to guess my... Wait, what's under here? Oh yeah, just posters. But anyways, I want you to try to guess my bounty. Oh, yeah, it wasn't meant to show. It's okay, I'll just redo the move again. That's just flight, though. All the flights are kind of the same, except for, like, gravity or spirit, like dragon, the one with wings. But anyway, guys, so my avatar here, just right here. I did change it a little bit, because I wanted to. I just felt like, since I was going to be a sword guy for a little bit, I decided to go for the Zoro fit. Anyways, yeah, stone won't spawn yet, so I'm just gonna showcase here. So first, you just got these cool shuriken stuff. You can just charge it. It might do more, but at first, it's like here. And when you throw it, it splits them up into like 5 or 6 different shurikens. Imagine just casually... Hold on, I'm just trying to go walk. Just like someone walking, and then you have this one guy right behind the corner waiting for you. Bam. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was 6. But the next move is... I'm not going to go down the line. But, it's this flight. And people usually kind of spam it in PvP. Because it does damage. Here, I'll show you guys. Especially for those who don't know. But, it does do some damage. Not a whole lot, but enough. See, look. Wait. I can't get him. Yeah, see, look, it just did some damage. Here, feel a taste of that shuriken. Let me just kill him with the flight. This is usually what people will do in PvP. They'll just spam this, I mean, if you go get, like, whenever I had, stats in Fruit, in which I swapped to sword and then back to Fruit, I went against this Blizzard guy with my dough only, like, 1 move awakened, and I didn't have all of them. The guy was spamming the Blizzard flight to run, heal, and then go attack me. It was so annoying, but it's okay, because I just ran away. I couldn't deal with it. But anyways, now you've seen that. Just flight. And then now it's whiteout. Ever seen a tornado, guys? There's just like a mini tornado. Try running from that. I want to see if you can actually outspeed it, though, without, like, flash step. Or without like heightened senses or mink or anything. Is it possible though? Because it goes pretty fast. Okay, yeah. Without dashing, you could possibly, but I don't know why I did that, but it was just for speed, you know? Anyways, that's whiteout ability, so get the thing where this random guy can just show up anywhere. The spam ability, where you can just hold that down and just kill someone with it. And mini tornado. Wait, if you combine them though, like, after I showcase all of them, I might try to come up with a combo and then show it to you guys. Because if there's any of those Blizzard mains out there, all I say is just, you might need a combo if you don't know one yet. But anyways, here's Howling Wind. So basically, it's like Whiteout, but it's a way bigger one. And it'll keep going if it has an enemy, and then it'll make them go like high up there. And yeah. But do you guys comment down below? Do you think it'd be possible to make a combo out of that? You know, like, gotta hit him here, and you go for the Whiteout shurikens dash, and then you C. Well, I don't have shift lock on right now, but if I did, it would be like right here. Anyways, as you guys probably know, last is the domain, but for those who don't know, it was obviously domain. Not every fruit has one. It would be cool if they did, but like, here is the domain. I don't know, like, comboing with this is just like to deal damage. It would be like being stuck in a blizzard. It'd be cool though, like, or funny and cool maybe, if, like, say you're PvPing and then there's this one guy that just walks through it, you know? It would be so goofy. That was kind of a quick showcase, but it's like my Kitsune one that I had. If you haven't seen that, you gotta check it out. It was a bit chaotic, but it was worth it. Now, I'm gonna try to come up with a combo. I'm gonna have you guys watch. Maybe first, I'm gonna use shift lock for this, but maybe, like, you gotta domain, fly around them, X, Z, C, but first you have to dash to get to them. Maybe, like, do you think that'd be a pretty good combo? It could be, so I'm gonna test it out on an enemy. Dang it. I wish I could swap to my portal, but no, because this isn't turn. So basically, like, here, and then you go here, and you gotta here. Oh wow, I couldn't even just kill him. Wait, is this? Yeah, this is a new one. I'll just finish him off. But low-key, that was a pretty good combo. Wait, where is he? Oh. Shuriken. Oh, I'm so scared, Tornado. Yeah, Blizzard, I would say, like, before the video ends, because it feels like a quick one, I just want to say, this is a pretty fun fruit to use, and if you want me to master any other fruit, comment down below. Here, let me show you. Oh, yeah, I just kind of grinded a little bit. I got this 600 mastery. I don't use any other swords. Yeah, not much right now. I have more accessories. My fruit thing isn't the best, but, like, if you want me to master any of these from a rocket up to mammoth, so, like, rocket, spin, chop, spring, bomb, smoke, spike, flame, falcon, ice, sand, dark, diamond, rubber, barrier, ghost, quake, phoenix, pain, gravity, and mammoth. I will use another one if you guys want me to. I've always wanted to try mammoth. And all these, like, it'd be interesting. I did Master Love, but I didn't record it. But I'm gonna try out the combo again. Maybe change it up. So, like, maybe gotta hit him with the... and... yeah, that was Loki fire combo. Like, did you... here, in case you didn't know, or see it, here, I'll show it. So, what I did for it, I just tried to get God's Chalice. Because, might as well. But anyways, for the combo, I'm going to go to this free spot. I'm going to wait for it to be off cooldown. But basically, what I did at first, I did the Shuriken, the Whiteout, dash, C, V, and you gotta fly around and finish it off, you know? Gotta finish it off with the flight, embarrass them. Also, you guys might be like, maybe not, maybe. Like, why don't you have Angel? Why do you have Ghoul? Well, I mean, Ghouls, in my opinion, actually, I don't know which one's better. Guys, comment down below. Which one's better, Ghoul or Angel? Because I'm pretty sure once you have like the Awakening or V4, whatever it is, you can combo with it. Because there's like a mini combo with only 2 moves that I saw from a video once. So it's the Angel V4 or Awakening, whichever one. I'm pretty sure, yeah, V4 with the Gravity X move. It does damage, but I wouldn't recommend using Gravity for stuff. It's just like not the best. But whenever I said earlier, if you want me to master fruits, like for other ones, actually I'll even do it with swords. I'm just not swapping stats. But with fruits, it would be such a troll for this. I hope it doesn't get picked. If you guys don't pick, I'll just spin a wheel and see which one's the last one. And since for these ones that I have 2 of, I'll have, if it lands on them, I'll keep it for 1 extra turn. Since I have 2 of them. To make it interesting. Because to make it more like a lower chance, trying to see how these fruits are. And then I might just go back to being Kitsune main. But I wonder if there's any other combos, like besides the 2 I showed. Because the second one was pretty good. So, Z move with the Whiteout, C, or V, F. It's basically going down the line. But since it's nighttime, you know what that means. Or it's going to be nighttime, so you know exactly. I'm going to pray if I can get the Hollow Essence. I'm going crazy. Yeah, but anyways, as I was saying, if I get Hollow Essence, then I'm going to try out Blizzard with it. Maybe do the combo, show it off. I know this earlier I said, oh, it's going to be this, whatever it's called, showcase. Well, it's not just that. It's now just me doing, like, showing off a little bit of combo. Now I feel like every video I showcase, I might try to come up with a combo with it. And eventually I'll start doing combos with, like, fighting styles added, or just fighting styles and just swords, or swords, fighting styles, and fruits with the races. But it's gonna be quite the grind for the races, so I probably won't do that. But I really hope you guys enjoy this. Thanks for the 132 subscribers. I'll do another live stream with the giveaway at 200. Remember, 1,000 is going to be like a small reveal. Like, I don't know, eyes maybe. And then at like 10,000, I'll do a full like face reveal. And 50,000 will be like a full reveal, like showing me, not just my face. Wait, is it daytime? Oh my god. Honestly, before, I just want to show you guys my luck. So I'm gonna server hop because I don't have enough bones to roll. So I'm going to server hop, and when it's nighttime, I'm gonna just pray. Not try luck, but pray, because that's how I'm gonna get hollow essence. I'm pretty sure it's like something dark, so it must work. Like, it must be nighttime. Called it. Now, for that, you at least gotta leave a like. And maybe subscribe. Also, my friends have YouTube channels, and they're trying to go viral a little bit. Maybe not. Okay, nothing happened, but as I was saying, my friends have YouTube channels, so I might as well give them a shout out, you know? So, there's one called Cam Skits, and for him, when I looked it up, it didn't show it, so I just looked up one of his videos. If you guys ever want to know one of his videos, just comment down on the video, this one, and I'll tell you one of them so that you can find it. And my second friend's YouTube channel is FartFun21. I don't know why they picked that name, but they did. Well, with all this, I feel like I maybe could roll a fruit, but also at the same time, I'm gonna save up a little bit, maybe try to get like mink or shark. Actually, that'd be helpful, so I could just swim. Oh wow, there's like I know it's not, I joined and just saying stuff, but hacker and I reported. I don't know what's happening in the server, but I hope you guys enjoyed the showcase. And if I can manage to get the video that I recorded from my computer, I will, and I will put it up. See you soon, and have a good day.